Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome to my Easy English channel. The first of all, don't forget our channel, like, subscribe, and follow our channel, and subscribe our channel for more best videos. So today we have the B letter word. So let's read that word and listen. So today we have the B words, and the first word is of B letter. That's beat. That's beat. And the second word is buy. The third one is big. The fourth one is bird. So that's our today lesson. The first is beat, buy, big, and bird. That's word that start by B. And in English language, we have a lot of word that start by B letter, like banana, like buy, like another word. So let's that word meaning. The first beat is noun of person, and we use that name for person and for people, for a human, and that's name of person, like Ahmad, Mahmoud, like Giori. That's beat is noun, name of person, name of person. Boy is that's a boy is that's adjective. That's adjective that's the describe of a person, that is old, young, or child. That's boy is adjective, and that's noun of person, and we use to person in human. That's boy. Boy is adjective. Boy is adjective. Adjective. And we use to person. The third one is big. Big is name of thing, and we all know the what's big. Yeah, very simple name of thing. Big. Big is name of, that's noun of thing, of thing. Name of thing. And bird is that's the kind of animal that play in the sky. Name of animal. Who play in the sky. That's kind of bird, name of animal. So that's our today lesson, and our today word that start by B letter. The first beat a name of person, and we use to person, and by is adjective, we use to person. Big is name of thing, and we use in the school term. Bird is name of animal that play in the sky. So so that word that start by B. In English language, we have a lot of words that start by B letter. So that's the simple word that we today use by in the sentence, and we meaning of this word. So let's do the sentences. We now we start. We make one sentence on one word. The first. The first word is beat. That's now we make one sentence on word in one word. But first beat. I'm Beat. That's simple sentences. I describe my name. I'm Beat. I'm Beat. The second one is big, boy. Second one is boy. That's adjective, and we use to the person, and we call person by this name, noun, boy. Uh, he is a boy. That's also simple. He is a boy. He is a boy. That's also simple sentences. And the third one is big. Big is name of thing, and we use that thing to school term and big. I have a bag.